Welcome to another exciting video where we delve into the world of healthy and convenient snacks. Today we're putting the spotlight on a humble yet nutrient-packed superstar, the boiled egg. Its rise in popularity as a go-to snack is hardly surprising. Boiled eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with high-quality protein while keeping the calorie count low. This makes them an ideal choice for those mindful of their weight. But it's not just about the calories. Protein plays a crucial role in weight management by keeping you fuller for longer and boosting your metabolism. So, you see, boiled eggs are not just a snack, they're a strategic weapon in your weight management arsenal. But hey, we're not just about to leave you with plain boiled eggs. We've got some egg-citing hacks coming up that will take your boiled egg game to a whole new level. Before we crack into the hacks, remember to like, subscribe, and share your favorite boiled egg hack in the comments. First things first, the foundation of all great egg hacks, boiling the perfect egg. The art of boiling an egg is more than just heating it up in water. It's about precision, timing, and a little bit of egg know-how. Let's break it down. Choosing the right temperature is crucial. Start off with your eggs in a single layer in a pot, then fill it with enough water to cover the eggs by about an inch. High heat could cause your eggs to crack, so it's best to go with a medium heat setting until your water reaches a gentle boil. Once you've got your boil, it's time to talk about cooking time. The magic number for large eggs is 9 to 12 minutes. 9 minutes gives you a firm, yet still creamy yolk, perfect for salads or just eating on its own. 12 minutes, on the other hand, will give you a fully set yolk, ideal for deviled eggs or egg salad. Now here's a tip to prevent overcooked eggs and those unsightly green yolks. As soon as your timer goes off, drain the hot water and give those eggs a good rinse under cold water. This stops the cooking process and cools them down for easier peeling. Speaking of peeling, ever had trouble with those stubborn shells that just won't come off? Here's a trick. After cooling, gently crack the shell all around and roll the egg between your hands to loosen the shell. Then, peel under running water. The water helps to get under the shell and makes peeling a breeze. And, for those who've had eggs crack on them mid-boil, here's a preventative measure. Before boiling, prick a tiny hole at the wider end of the egg. This allows the air inside to escape gradually, preventing any pressure buildup, and voila, no more cracks. With these tips, you'll be boiling eggs to perfection in no time. So go ahead, get cracking, and elevate your egg game. Now that we've mastered the basics, let's tackle a common challenge: making boiled eggs flavorful. It's time to jazz up those eggs and give them a flavor boost without piling on the calories. First off, herbs and spices are your best friends. They add a ton of flavor without adding any significant calories. For example, a sprinkle of freshly chopped dill or a dash of smoked paprika can completely transform your boiled egg. Or try a pinch of turmeric for a healthy and flavorful twist. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, cayenne pepper or hot sauce can give your egg a spicy kick. And for a touch of freshness, a squeeze of lemon juice or a sprinkle of zest can do wonders. Now let's talk about sauces. While it's important to be mindful of the sugar and calorie content in store-bought sauces, there are plenty of healthy options out there. A dollop of Greek yogurt, a drizzle of balsamic reduction, or a dab of spicy mustard can level up your boiled egg game. But the flavor doesn't have to stop there. You can also marinate your boiled eggs. A simple marinade of soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of honey creates an Asian-inspired treat. Or try a tangy mix of apple cider vinegar, water, and your favorite herbs for a pickled effect. And let's not forget about the humble salt and pepper. Sometimes the simplest seasonings are the most satisfying. Remember, these are just suggestions. The beauty of boiled eggs is their versatility. You can experiment with different herbs, spices, and sauces to find your perfect flavor combination. Maybe you'll discover a love for curry-powdered eggs, or perhaps a chili-lime combo will become your new favorite. The possibilities are endless, so don't be shy. Step out of your comfort zone and try something new. After all, variety is the spice of life, and it's no different when it comes to boiled eggs. Remember, the key to enjoying any food is to make it taste good, so don't be afraid to get creative. Next up, let's talk about meal prep and how boiled eggs can save your busy schedule. Meal prepping is an amazing way to ensure you always have a healthy, protein-packed snack ready when hunger strikes. Boiled eggs are perfect for this purpose. They're easy to make in large batches and can be stored in the fridge for up to a week, making them a convenient option for those on the go. Peeling boiled eggs can often feel like a chore, but it doesn't have to be. Here's a quick tip for peeling eggs efficiently. Once your eggs are boiled and cooled, give them a good crack on a hard surface and roll them gently. The shell will come off much easier. Now let's talk about storage. Once your eggs are peeled, store them in a covered container in the fridge. A little tip here is to keep the container slightly ajar or pierce a few holes in the lid. This will allow some air circulation and keep your eggs fresher for longer. But how do you keep them delicious throughout the week? One way is to store them in a bowl of water in the fridge. Changing the water daily will help to keep the eggs moist and prevent them from absorbing odors from other foods. Now let's get creative with incorporating these protein powerhouses into your meals and snacks. Boiled eggs are incredibly versatile. You can slice them up and add them to your salads for an extra protein punch. Or, why not make a healthy egg salad with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise? You can also use them as a topping for avocado toast or incorporate them into a stir-fry for a quick and easy dinner. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, because you've prepped your eggs in advance, adding them to your meals is as easy as opening the fridge and grabbing one. Remember, having a healthy snack readily available can make all the difference when you're trying to stay on track with your weight loss goals. And boiled eggs are just the ticket. They're high in protein, low in calories, and can be incorporated into a variety of meals and snacks. With a little preparation, you'll always have a healthy snack on hand. Our final hack is all about pairing. Combining boiled eggs with other foods can create a balanced and satisfying meal. Let's dive into the art of food pairing. You see, eggs are like the ever-flexible culinary canvas, ready to mingle and enhance the flavors of its plate partners. When we pair foods, we're not just thinking about taste. We're considering the nutritional value too. It's all about creating a synergy where each food brings something to the table, literally and nutritionally. Let's start with a classic: boiled eggs and whole grain toast. The complex carbs in the toast provide sustained energy, while the protein in the eggs keeps hunger pangs at bay. Sprinkle some avocado on top, and you've got yourself a powerhouse of nutrients with a delicious dose of healthy fats. Next up, we've got a colorful and crunchy option: boiled eggs and raw veggies. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. The eggs add a protein punch, and the veggies bring in a variety of vitamins and fiber. Not to mention, the crunch of the veggies against the softness of the eggs is a texture lover's delight. And who could forget the classic salad partner? Toss a boiled egg into your favorite greens, and you've got a protein boost that'll make your salad a satisfying meal. Plus, the fat in the egg yolk helps your body better absorb the nutrients in the vegetables. For a sweet twist, pair your boiled egg with a piece of fruit. An apple or a banana can provide a quick energy boost, while the egg keeps you feeling full longer. It's a perfect on-the-go snack. Remember, these are just starting points. The beauty of pairing is that it's all about exploration. Try different combinations, mix up the flavors, and find what works best for you. Maybe it's boiled eggs with quinoa and roasted veggies, or perhaps it's a boiled egg with a spicy salsa. The possibilities are as varied as your palate. So let's get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different pairings to find your perfect egg match. That's all for our boiled egg hacks. Let's do a quick recap. We've journeyed through the egg-citing world of boiled eggs, from mastering the art of perfect cooking to exploring flavor-boosting magic. We've become meal prep pros, understanding the importance of planning and storage, and we've unlocked the power of pairing eggs with other nutritious foods for a balanced, satisfying meal. Boiled eggs are an excellent choice for weight loss. They are high in protein, low in calories, and incredibly versatile. They can be a snack, a meal, a salad topper, or even a sandwich filler. The possibilities are endless. So, don't just boil and eat. Implement these hacks, experiment, and explore creative ways to enjoy your boiled eggs. Make them a staple in your weight loss journey. And most importantly, have fun with it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your favorite boiled egg hack in the comments. Until next time, keep it egg-citing.